Hello children, this is grade 5, block 21 and S3. Topic is water exerts pressure. Already you have learned two properties. Flowing water has force, water exerts buoyant force, and third one you are going to learn about water exerts force. Open your reader, page number 131. Just you read out from here to here, right? These two paragraphs you have to read, and after reading just to observe this diagram. Take one glass, okay, one beaker, make 3 holes and fill the water, and just to observe from which hole the water flows very fast. So now I am going to explain this one here. What happens when you press the mouth of the hose pipe with your fingers or thumb? Yes, what happens? Why does this happen? Because the water shoots out much farther and faster, isn't it? So pressure of the water increases on partially closing the mouth of the hose pipe. Right, children? So this is the thing. So now what do you mean by the term pressure? So how it is related to force? So pressure is the force exerted by water on a given area. Right? Here you can see. Right, children? So here, again I'll repeat. Force, pressure is the force exerted. See, pressure is the force exerted by water on a given area. So here, if the area increases, the pressure decreases and it goes on, right, like that. Okay. So now today we are going to see pressure of water varies with depth. Okay, children. So now here I'll tell you the pressure of water increases with depth. You can see here the pressure of water increases with the depth. The last hole only the pressure of water increases with the depth. So the deeper you go in water, the more water is there on top of you, right, children? So it is the weight of the water that creates the pressure, right? So the more the water, the more is its weight and the more is the pressure. So this is why the water coming out of lowest hole here, lowest hole has the maximum pressure. So it falls the farthest away from the bottle. Thus pressure depends on the depth of water. So pressure also depends on area. The more the area, the lesser is the pressure. So one more question I want to ask you. Dams are made to collect river water, right? So why is the base of a dam broader? Because the water in the dam exerts pressure. So the pressure exerted on the lower part of the dam is the most. Due to this pressure, the wall of the dam can collapse. So the base of the dam is therefore made broader to decrease the amount of pressure acting on it. Thus, the more the area or volume, the lesser is the pressure. Right, children? Just again you read out this paragraph, okay? And draw this diagram in your class workbook on the left side and label this one. Okay. Now we will go with workbook. What it is there we will see in the workbook. Okay, children. Now page number 27. Just turn to page number 27. Here, water exerts pressure. See the first one. How is pressure related to area in contact with it? So pressure is the force acting on a given area. The more the area, the lesser is the pressure. That answer you have to write. Now we will go with question number 2. Where will the water pressure be more and why? So pressure will be more in a small but deep pond because pressure increases with depth. Okay. Where will the water pressure be more and why? Now we will go with question number 3. Why is the body of submarines made with strong materials? The body of a submarine has to withstand high pressure. Therefore, their body is made up of strong material. That answer you have to write. Now just observe these two diagrams. Where will there be more pressure and why? You can see the shower and the tap also here. You can see now where will be the more pressure? The water pressure will be more in the tap because the area of the mouth of the tap is less, because pressure decreases with area. In the shower, the water spreads to a longer area, so the pressure become less. Got it, children? Now, so now we will see question answers. Turn to page. So now we will see question answers, page number 134. In this one, you can see question number 4, I think so. Yes. So define pressure. State 2 factors on which pressure depends. So here pressure is defined as the force exerted on a given area. So it depends upon area and depth. That answer, 2 points you have to write. Now we will go with question number 5. Why does pressure increase with depth? So answer, pressure increases with depth because there are more layers of water that exerts force on a given area. That answer you have to write. Now we will go with question number 6 also. Here give reasons. A, B, C they have given. So already I have completed 2 topics. That is first one A. An iron nail sinks in water but a ship made of iron floats on it. So give reason. What you will write? A ship is big, so it displays more water. This water exerts more buoyant force, making the ship float. So in the case of an iron nail, the water displaced is less, so the buoyant force is also less and it sinks. That answer you have to write. Now we will go with B. Water is made to fall from a height to turn the turbine to make electricity. So give reason. So what you will write for that one? Water is made to fall from a height to turn the turbine to make electricity because it generates greater force to turn the turbine. Right, children? Now only these 2 you write down, and C1 it will come in 7th and 8th question, right, children? So you have to complete 4th, 5th, in 6th one A and B you have to complete. So whatever the work I have given for you, please children